You guys, so we are ready to head out. All right, I just pulled over to the side to make sure everything was good. Right now it says please format SD card frequently. I don't know why it said that, but we are ready to head out. Now I just want to show y'all the quality of the camera. And I am doing the audio on my phone, so I will edit this to where y'all can hear the audio from my phone. I still don't know how to set up the audio on this camera yet, so I will figure that out. I will try to figure it out. But anyways, I don't really need the audio on the camera. The dash cam is really for insurance purposes, for you and your safety, you protecting your investment. The main thing for dash cameras is basically your witness. Your dash camera is your witness. Nowadays, you barely could find a witness when you get into an accident. Now, the good thing about this dash camera is that it does front, rear, passenger, and driver. All right. Now, that's a big one, especially if you are in the driving, delivery world, trucker, food delivery, package delivery, whatever, you name it. Sometimes you have people that do fraud things, like lie and say you didn't deliver their food, or just say that you wasn't somewhere where you was supposed to be. Now this camera I don't know if it gets your actual location. I know it has a timestamp on it, but I don't know if it actually have you an exact location. I think the GPS is mainly for tracking like your speed limit and stuff. I don't think your GPS actually track your actual location. But yes, if you are into any of that gig work, or if you're into trucking, delivery work, somebody say, oh, somebody ate my food. Well, I have proof. How did I eat your food? Did you see me do this? No, you didn't see me do that, because I have a camera in here. I love this camera. This camera is like the best thing. Links will be in the description, and I will link more cameras that does this. All right, this company actually makes a couple of more cameras that has 4 channels on it. All right, and when I mean by 4 channels, I mean, you know, front, back, driver, and passenger. Now, another thing that I want to say is, when you buy this and there is a 24-hour like surveillance or 24-hour parking sensor, that is this bad boy right here. All right, right here. So if you are into this camera, subscribe to the channel. I will drop the install to this sensor right here, maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna try to record it today. Luckily we in the morning, and God blessed me with a lot of shade, because if you live in Maryland, it is absolutely hot out here, like boiling hot. All right. And yeah, that's it. So I believe you could buy this without that sensor if you're not really into like parking sensors and stuff like that. But I know people park in parking garages, and you know, if you park in parking garages, people sometimes they get a little criminal minded, looking through cars and stuff like that. So you can actually have like a surveillance type of thing. Now, the only thing with that is, I never really tested if it goes straight to your app. That way, if you get a notification if somebody close to your car, now that will be perfect. All right, that would be perfect. If you could get a notification that somebody is close to your car, and then you could just check in on the app, that will be awesome. What else can I tell y'all? Because I am definitely about to be done. What else? Oh yeah, there is something else. So the install for this 24-hour monitor. Now you may say, oh, well, how does it monitor if your car is off? You get this wiring harness when they give you the sensor, right? So they give you this wiring harness right here, and we will go over all this. Basically, it's 3 wires, all right? One goes to the battery. Now, your battery is constantly on, all right? So you have to look for fuses that has constant energy or constant electricity going through it, even when the car is off. Yes, even when the car is off. Luckily for Ford, well, my Expedition and this Mercury Sable, the electricity stays on the 12-volt outlets. Like, they just stay on even when the car is off. And you know, the dash camera, unless I turn the dash camera off completely, it will just stay on all night, every day. So I literally have to unplug it or just power it off, take the cord off. Now, cars like my wife's Toyota, when you turn the power off on her car, her outlet don't work at all. So she will definitely need something like this. But I need something like this because in order for this sensor to work, right, the sensor power, well, I know I'm talking into my phone, but my fault. The sensor power is right here, okay? This gives the power to the car, all right? And then you got to power the sensor with the car battery, basically, so it could constantly stay on, so it can do its 24-hour monitor, or it could be on monitoring all the time. And other than that, that's it. So protect yourself. If you're doing any lines of gig work, delivery work, protect yourself, protect your job you working. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section. I will get back to y'all as soon as possible. As soon as possible. I am going this weekend. I am looking through all the comments, so I will try to get back to everybody, answer everybody as honest as I can. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Links in the description, and I will catch y'all on the next review. Later.